you do it. Now what we'll see here, guys, 237. I'm going to stand over this side because they get raggy. The silly police officers keep following me about, trying to remove my rights and peaceful protest. Basically all they're doing is just harassing me. They know my intentions. Look at this. Seriously, mate. Can you get off? Can you get off? Can you get off? What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Don't struggle when we hold you. Mate, I'm 45 years of age. You're fucking haranguing me, you little nonce. You're haranguing me. I don't know. I really don't know. Because of this. Rubbish. Nothing. Done nothing. Done nothing. 8202 6152 2365. No worries. Good.
This is what we have so far, folks. It's 5 to 3 on the 18th of November 2018. I've been ragged in the bush today. It's brought back old memories. I had a little GoPro, made me a target. They ragged me in the bush earlier on, just for 4 empty trucks. Like if I was any kind of sort of protesting activist, I was going to get onto an empty truck that's not even 2 meters. Well, this is what we have, the story so far at Preston New Road. Cuadrilla released a statement this morning saying that they're going to have 2 weeks off for Christmas. Now, basically, they've got 4 lubbers wagons gone in there today, and they've got equipment coming out. They've got 4 pumps that have come out there today. There's 2 pumps still remaining in the actual site itself. 4 lubbers trucks, 4 empty lubbers trucks have just entered the site. Yesterday, curtain siders with extra trailers in the curtain siders were seen going on site. They're clearing more off than 2 weeks worth. Now, the similar sort of thing happened at KM8. Now, I don't want to jump the gun in any way, shape or form, but I'm just saying it's suspicious. And I don't think that Cuadrilla are going to be that honest towards their shareholders who, let's be honest, if the shareholders think that there's something rotten in the state of Denmark, they'll pull their money. And we all know that Cuadrilla can't afford to get the shareholders pulling money away because they can't even verify what the money they've got at the moment. So, it all looks good if you're an anti-fracker. It all looks suspicious if you're a fracker. And it's definitely suspicious if you're a shareholder. Mr. Egan, ground control to Mr. Egan. Your flight into fossil fuels is not working. So we're empty down the Belmar, folks. It's pissing it down, it's windy, but we still have a massive police presence. You don't let me film, I film because I can film. So it's 9 minutes past 3 on the 18th of November 2018. We see facilitating a peaceful protest going on once more at Preston New Road. I'm just heading up to the gate camp. Don't get in the way of my camera, mate, eh? I'm not, I was talking to this man here. I respect you. Don't rag me and fucking put me in a book. You was out of order before. You was out of order. No, I don't want to stand still. I don't want to. You don't have to grab hold of me. You don't have to grab hold of me. I'm a filmmaker. I will move. I'm a filmmaker. Look, I know I can film. I'm entitled to film, look. I'm not standing still and filming because I'm a filmmaker. That's what I do. Facilitation of peaceful protest in the 21st century. Look at these arseholes, eh? Facilitation of shale and gas.
Don't go towards it then.
Rocket. No, you can't tell me where I can film from because I'm a filmmaker. Do you know anything about filmmaking? Fuck all. You know this ain't crime fighting. You know it. You know you're wrong. You know you shouldn't be facilitating this. This is your area. This is your area. You're Lancashire. You're facilitating the poisoning of your own locality. So your kids, if you have any, they'll suffer, mate. You'll suffer.